What makes Scottish English sound different to other varieties of English? Some people might think that it's consonant sounds like the final sound in loch, the Scots word for lake, or the rhotic R, made famous in TV series and online videos.
Good God, say, there's been a murder. Go on, do it. Audition here. There's been a murder.
But it's actually the vowels that give Scottish speakers their signature sound. If you're new to Scotland and want to learn more about the sounds you're hearing all around you, keep watching. Hi, I'm Gemma from the Scottish Sound School. I'm an English language teacher and pronunciation specialist. I work with teachers and new international arrivals in Scotland, helping them to make sense of the unfamiliar sounds and speech they are hearing. In Scottish Standard English, which is the formal form of English spoken in Scotland, most similar to the written standard and what I'm speaking right now, there are 12 vowel sounds in total, 9 monophthongs, that is, single vowel sounds, and 3 diphthongs. A diphthong is 2 vowels combined together in a single syllable. The monophthongs are E, fleece, E, kit, A, face, E, dress, A, trap, O, thought, O, boat, U, goose, A, strut, and the diphthongs are Oi, choice, Ow, house, I, price. The number of vowels and diphthongs in Scottish Standard English is fewer than in Standard British English, also known as received pronunciation, and fewer than in General American English too. For comparison, Standard British English has 20 vowel sounds, of which 8 are diphthongs. General American English has 15 vowel sounds, 3 of which are diphthongs. One of the reasons why there are fewer vowel sounds in Scottish Standard English is because of vowel merging. Let me show you an example of what this means. In Standard British English, the vowel sound in lot and thought are different. However, you might have noticed that in Scottish Standard English, these vowels are merged, meaning they are pronounced the same, with both words using the thought vowel, aw. Listen to the differences in the vowels of these two varieties.
Lot, thought, lot, thought, lot, thought,
Lot, thought,
lot,
lot,
thought,
thought. Another example of merging can be found in the vowels of foot and goose. The vowels in these words are different in Standard British English, but merge into the same sound in Scottish English, with both words using the goose vowel. Listen to the difference in the vowels of these varieties.
foot, goose, foot, goose, foot, goose,
Foot, goose,
foot,
foot,
goose.
goose. One of the most noticeable differences between Scottish Standard English vowels and Standard British English vowels, or General American vowels, is the length. In Standard British English and General American English, the voicing effect ensures that vowel length is controlled by the following sound, i.e., a vowel followed by an unvoiced consonant, such as in mat, will be pronounced shorter than a vowel followed by a voiced consonant, such as in mad.
Mat, mad, mat, mad.
In Scottish Standard English, the voicing effect does not determine vowel length. Instead, we have something called the Scottish vowel length rule. According to the SVLR, all Scottish vowels are pronounced short, except for E, oo, and I, which lengthen only in the following circumstances. Before R, before a voiced fricative, such as zh, z, v, and v. Before a morpheme boundary, for example, B, bees. Morphemes are the smallest unit of meaning within a word, and in this example the boundary sits between two morphemes, the first being B and the second being the final S. B, bees. However, it must be remembered that there are many factors which affect how we speak. As such, different speakers from different regions and backgrounds may employ the SVLR across a greater or fewer number of vowels, depending on factors such as where they were born and grew up, or their social class and upbringing. Let's listen to an example of the differences in vowel length in the following sounds, demonstrating the SVLR compared to the voicing effect. Beat, bid, bee, bees.
Beat, bead, bee, bees.
Beat,
Beat,
bid,
bead,
bee,
bee,
bees.
bees.
That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found it a useful introduction and summary to the vowels and vowel features of Scottish speakers. If you found this video useful or interesting, please like and subscribe to receive notifications when new content is released.